In this video we're going to look at multiplying decimals, and the first question is 6.2 multiplied by 1.7. So the first step that we need to do here is to ignore decimal points. So we make the question 62 multiplied by 17. Now I'm not going to strictly go through the long multiplication procedure, but we need to get an answer. 7 2s are 14, 7 6s are 42, 43. Put down a 0 for multiplying by tens, and 1 2 is 2 and 1 6 is 6. Adding these up, and we get 1054. Now, that 1054 doesn't stay that way when we bring back our decimal points. Now, if we look at the question, we've got 2 numbers after the decimal point in the question, so we should have 2 in the answer. That locates our decimal point there. So our answer is 10.54. In this question, we're basically multiplying 457 by 12. Okay, if we remove any place decimal points and that sort of thing, it's 457 times by 12. So doing this, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s 10 and 1's 11, 2 4s are 8 and 1's 9. And then timesing by 10 is easy. 1 7 7, 1 5 is 5, and 1 4 is 4. Adding these up. Okay. So we know that the sequence of digits for our answer here is 5484. Now we need to locate the decimal point. So in here we have one number after the decimal point and then another 3, so 2, 3. So altogether 4 numbers after the decimal point in the question means we have to have 1, 2, 3, 4 in the answer. So that makes the decimal point there, and we need to put the 0 in for neatness. Now this time we're multiplying 2 negatives together, so we're going to also, this time we're going to ignore decimal points and signs. And we're just going to do 45 times 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 4s are 28, that makes 31. So the sequence of digits here is 3, 1 and 5. We look at the question to how many numbers there are after the decimal point in the question, and there's none in 45, but there's 2 here, so that makes 2 in our answer. So that means our decimal point must be there. Now we have to look at the signs. A negative times a negative makes a positive. So our answer is positive 3.15, or we could just simply say it's 3.15.